Today we will discuss autoinduction of metabolites. Sometimes drugs metabolize and their metabolites accumulate in the body, and again new enzymes are produced which again metabolize, and this process in which the drug or metabolites induce its own metabolism within the body is called as induction of autoinduction of metabolites. This process results in increase in rate of substances on breakdown and elimination. In contact with the drug, this can lead to reduction in the concentration of the drug within the body over time. After some time, due to metabolism and again the metabolism of own metabolites of the drug results in autoinduction, and finally the drug will eliminate from the body. You can see there are few drugs. You can see some examples. There are few drugs like phenytoin and carbamazepine. They both show autoinduction. For example, if we study in detail, phenytoin is metabolized by cytochrome P450 system, and under cytochrome P450 system, CYP2C9 and CYP2C19 are involved. Phenytoin first metabolized into 5p hydroxyphenyl 5-phenyl hydantoin, which is also called as the 5-PH, which is a primary metabolite. The most common name of this primary metabolite is 5-PH, which is further metabolized into 5,5-diphenyl hydantoin. This is the secondary metabolite, which is less active pharmacologically and excreted in the urine. As a result of this autoinduction of the metabolites, the phenytoin will excrete out from the body, and doctor have to take a check on it, and if it is eliminated from the body, the more drug is required to produce desired results. When primary metabolites are converted into secondary metabolite, body is triggered to produce more enzymes which are responsible for metabolism of the drug. For example, when drug is metabolized, then enzyme activity is increased in the body. As a result, drug's own metabolism is started, which results in increased clearance of the drug from the body. As a result, concentration of drug in the blood decreased and decreased its effectiveness. This is all for today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.